In these videos, I'll be going over problems that appliances are having, like we're talking washers, dryers, stoves, refrigerators, and dishwashers. And what I'll do is I'll find a post with a problematic appliance. I'll read the post. I'll play the video or photograph or both, and then I'll read the comments that's on that post. And then I'm welcoming all DIYers and appliance techs to chime in as to answers or questions you might have to help with that problem. So it's a big community thing. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's get started. Okay, here's the post from Timothy. Whirlpool Duet WFW8300SW02. First symptom was its sort of clunking and it spins. Not like when it's overloading and knocking when it gets unbalanced. This sounds like on one specific part of the revolution, it clunks each time it comes around. I could hear this spinning the tub by hand. Then it goes worse and sounds like loose gears and sort of whining. In a span of 2 times running it, it went from starting to clunk to not able to run. I took the video below, but you can't hear the clunk that much. Now you hear the other sound louder. The tub won't spin normally, and when I tried running and cleaning cycle to test it, it gave error code RL. I'm trying to assess what parts I need to fix this. It seems like it could be the bearings, something else. On some washers, they have a plastic clutch, and it kind of sounds like that issue, but I'm not sure if this model has one. I can't find that part for this model in the diagrams. Anyone have any ideas? And here is the video. And here are the comments. Paul, is there any up-down play in the spin basket? With the door open, push the spin basket up. Try to move only the basket, not the whole assembly. Timothy, I will check. Let's see. Timothy, seems like a little bit, not that much, but maybe slightly. Paul, okay, is there any wearing on the door gasket near the spin basket? Just trying to narrow down symptoms. Paul, it doesn't look like. Timothy, I would say you either have something stuck between the spin basket and the plastic tub or something in the drivetrain has failed. This one doesn't have a plastic clutch. It should be a motor belt and pulley. Timothy, okay, I did originally wonder if something got stuck. It did seem like there is no plastic clutch. If the belt was wearing out, could it behave like this? You don't think this is a bearing? Paul, the belt won't typically make that noise unless it is failing in an unusual manner. It is possible that the bearings are going out. It could be either the bearings for the basket or the bearings for the motor. If you take the belt off, does the motor make a noise or does the basket? Timothy, I haven't dug into it that far. I was asking here for thoughts before I started taking it apart. I'm trying to decide if I'm trying to decide if I want to try to fix it or just look for something else, and it's 20 years old. Paul, oh, okay. It may be hard to find parts for being that old. Timothy, I found a bearing kit. It just seems like kind of a big project to get to them in the unit. Jill, I've solved a lot of problems by taking the top or back off the washer and watching it go through a cycle. Often it's something pretty simple that is fixable with a YouTube video, etc., or have to get it serviced. Philip, hi. The tension of the belt, do it by hand to see if it continues. If it does, it's got to be coming from the tub. Something caught on the outer side of the top. If it continues, you may have an object up against the bearing. MAGA. Take back cover off. Check back of washer. Belt. Motor pulley. Basket pulley. Sounds like belt rubbing on tub. Basket pulley is failing. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And for you DIYers and appliance repair techs, if you have any questions or have answers to this problem, you're more than welcome. Chime on in. Have a good one.